Hello everyone, እንዴት ናችሁ? Welcome to Infotech አዲስ ቻናል። ቻናላችን በተለያዩ ጊዜ የሚወጡ የባንክ አፕቲቲዩድ ጥያቄዎች፣ የሲኦሲ ፓሌጅ 1 እስከ 4፣ የጂኤቲ ለማስተርስ አዲስ አበባ ዩኒቨርሲቲ የሚያወጣው የማስተርስ ቅድመ ፈተና፣ በተጨማሪም የኢትዮጵያን ኤርላይንስ፣ የኢትዮ ቴሌኮም፣ የኮካ ኮላ ካምፓኒ፣ የሄኒከን እና የትልልቅ ካምፓኒዎች ሪትን ኤግዛም ኤንድ ኢንተርቪው ኩዌስችኖቻቸውን ይዘንላችሁ እንመጣለን። የተለያዩ ኤጁኬሽናል ቪዲዮዎች እና ዲጂታላይዜሽን ላይ ያተኮሩ ቪዲዮዎችን መከታተል ከፈለጋችሁ የቻናላችንን ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ቤተሰብ እንድትሆኑ እንጠይቃለን። በዛሬው ኤፒሶድ ፓርት 2 ለፓይለት ትሬኒ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም የወጣ የእንግሊሽ ፓርቱን ፓርት 2 ይዘንላችሁ መጥተናል። የባለፈው ፓርት እስከ ኩዌስችን ነምበር 8 ሰርተን ነበር። ፕሪቪየስ ኤፒሶድ ላይ ያለውን ፕሌሊስቱ ላይ ታገኙታላችሁ ማለት ነው። ከኩዌስችን ነምበር 9 ጀምረን እንሰራለን። nearly opposite or nearly instruction እንደሚለን choose the word that is most nearly similar or most nearly opposite to the word in the capital bold ነው የሚለን። ጥያቄው ላይ ያለውን nearly እዚህ ጋር የተጻፈው ኩዌስችን አሁን ለምሳሌ ታይዲ ከሆነ ለታይዲ nearly opposite or ደግሞ nearly similar የሆነ ሚኒንግ ቾይስ ውስጥ ያለውን ነው የምንመርጠው ማለት ነው። question number 9 tidy. A unkempt, B tiny, C tense, D kept. tidy ማለት having everything ordered and arranged in the right place ነው meaning or liking to keep things like this. Unkempt ደግሞ especially of a person having an untidy or disheveled appearance. tiny ማለት very small, tense ማለት ደግሞ stretched, tight or rigid ማለት ነው። kept ደግሞ having a certain possession of ማለት ነው። የታይዲ nearly opposite የሆነው ሚኒንጉ እዚህኛው ጋር unkempt ነው having untidy or disheveled appearance ስለሚለን ማለት ነው። question number 9 መልሳችን A ነው። question number 10 Saturnine. A cheerful, B Saturn, C said, D mean. መጀመሪያ ሚኒንጉን እናይና ከዛ nearly opposite or nearly similar የሆነ ሚኒንግ ካለው እሱን ቹዝ እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። ሚኒንጉ of a person or their manner gloomy, dark or poorly lit, especially as to appear depressing or frightening. የA choice cheerful ነው የሚለን። cheerful ማለት noticeably happy and optimistic. B Saturn the sixth planet ነው። set ማለት ደግሞ put, lay or stand something ነው። mean ደግሞ deliberately unkind or ደግሞ ክፉ ማለት ነው። የጥያቄያችን nearly opposite የሆነው cheerful ወይም ደግሞ noticeably happy and optimistic ምክንያቱም የጥያቄያችን ሚኒንጉ gloomy በጣም dark, depressing and frightening ነው። but የcheerful ሚኒንግ ደግሞ በጣም happy and excited መሆን ነው። the answer is A. question number 10, the answer is A. question number 11 Pacific. A pass, B aggressive, C place, D ring. When we say Pacific, what's the meaning? መጀመሪያ peaceful in character or intent ማለት ነው። peaceful in character or intent. A pass ይለናል። pass ማለት move or cause to move in a specified direction. aggressive ደግሞ ready or likely to attack or comfort, characterized by resulting from aggression ነው። place ደግሞ a particular position, point or area in a space, a location ነው። ring ደግሞ a small circular band, typically of a precious metal and often set with one or more gemstones. Pacific ስንል peaceful in character or intent ማለት ነው። የፓሲፊክ nearly opposite meaning ያለው aggressive ነው። ready to or likely to attack or confront. ይሄኛው በጣም peaceful character ነው። ይሄ ደግሞ በጣም unpeaceful ወይም ደግሞ በጣም የክፉ ሰው character ነው ማለት ነው። aggressive ብለናል። question number 12 conscious. A insensible, B measure, C loud, D remote. conscious ማለት aware and responding to one's surroundings. Insensible, without one's mental faculties, typically as a result of injury or intoxication. Unconscious, measure ማለት ascertain the size, amount or degree of something by using an instrument or device marked in a standard unit. loud ማለት producing or capable of producing much noise. remote ማለት situated far from the main centers of population, distant ነው። so የconscious nearly opposite meaning ያለው insensible ነው። insensible unconscious የሆነ definition ስላለው ማለት ነው። so question number 12, the answer is A, insensible. question number 13, doubt. A, certainty, B, depth, C, drain, D, armed. so what's the meaning of doubt? doubt is a feeling of uncertainty or lack of conviction. certainty ደግሞ a firm conviction that something is the case. depth, a some amount of money that is owed or due. drain, cause the water or other liquid in something to run out, leaving it empty or dry. armed, equipped with a securing fireman or firearms. so doubt a feeling of uncertainty ነው። ለዛ nearly opposite meaning ያለው certainty, firm conviction or ደግሞ certain መሆን በሆነ ነገር ላይ እርግጠኛ መሆን ስለሆነ question number 13, the answer is A, nearly opposite meaning የdoubt uncertainty ነው። question number 14, vilify. A, will, B, revile, C, pain, D, rest. so what is the meaning of vilify? vilify means speak or write about it in abusively disparaging manner. vil, the flesh of a young calf used as a food. revile, criticize in abusive or angrily insulting manner. pain, highest unpleasant physical sensation caused by illness or injury. rest, cease work or environment in order to relax, sleep or recover. so vilify ማለት speak or write it in about abusively and disparaging manner ሲል nearly similar የሆነ meaning criticize in abusive or angrily insulting manner ስለሆነ የvilify nearly similar የሆነ meaning revile ነው። so question number 14, the answer is B. question number 15, ostensible. A, austerity, B, apparent, C, round, D, aust. so what is the meaning እንላይና ከዛ stated or appearing to be true but not necessarily so. austerity, sternness or severity of manner or attitude. apparent, clearly visible or understood, obvious. round ደግሞ shaped like a circle or cylinder. aust, drive out or expel someone from a position or a place. so ostensible, stated or appearing to be true not necessarily so ስለሆነ apparent ደግሞ clearly የሆነ visible or understood obvious የሆነ ነገር ስለሆነ nearly opposite meaning አለው። so the answer is apparent. question number 5, apparent, B. question number 6, gauge. A, measure, B, gear, C, down, D, garage. so what's the meaning of gauge? A, an instrument that measured and gives visual display of the amount of level of contents of something. measure ደግሞ ascertain the size, amount or degree of something by using an instrument. gear, a toothed wheel that works with water to alter the relationship between the speed of a driving mechanism. down ማለት towards or a lower position. garage, a building for house, motor vehicles or vehicles. so የጋውጅ like similar meaning measure ነው ascertain the size, amount or degree of something by using an instrument ስለሚሆን ማለት ነው። so A ነው መልሳችን። question number 17, hollow. A, hold, B, held, C, turn, D, solid. so የhollow meaning ምንድነው? ከዛ nearly similar or nearly opposite የሆነ meaning እንፈጥርለታለን። hollow ማለት having a hole or empty space inside. hold ማለት grasp, carry or support with one's hands. hail, pellets of frozen rain which falls in shower from cumulus clouds. turn, move in a circular direction. solid, a firm, stable in shape. so hollow ማለት having a hole or empty space inside ነው። solid ደግሞ firm ነው so opposite nearly opposite meaning D ይሆናል question number 8 in 18 yellow A male B yellow C real D scream so nearly opposite or nearly similar meaning ነው የምንመርጠው yell ማለት a loud sharp cry of pain surprise or delight mail letters and parcels sent by post yellow color ነው real actually existing as a thing occurring in a fact not imagined or supposed scream give a long loud piercing cry or cries expressing extreme emotion or pain so yell nearly similar የሆነ meaning ይሄኛውም loud or cry surprise yell ማድረግ ማለት መጮህ ነው screamም መጮህ ነው so exact the same ባይሆኑም nearly similar meanings ስላላቸው question number 18 sorry question number 18 the answer is D sprout question number 19 sprout A germinate B spare C piece D claim so sprout ምንድነው sprout of a plant put out are shoots germinate of a seed spore begin to grow and put out shoots after a period of dormancy spare additional to what is required of for ordinary use peace freedom from disturbance or tranquility claim a state of asserts that something is the case typically without providing evidence or proof so sprout ስንል put out shoots ነው germinate put out shoots ስለሆነ nearly similar የሆነ meaning ያለው A ነው ማለት ነው question number 20 refuse A maintains B dirt C rain D rim so refuse nearly opposite meaning ያለው የትኛው ነው refuse ማለት indicate or show that one is not willing to do something maintains cause or enable a condition or a situation to continue dirt a substance a mud or dust that soils something or someone rain the condensed moisture of the temperature falling visibly in separate drops rim ደግሞ 500 formally for 480 sheets of paper so refuse ስንል የሆነ ነገርን መስራት ማቆም or አልፈልግም ብለን ስናቆም ነው maintain ማለት ደግሞ የሆነ condition or ምንሰራውን ነገር መቀጠል ነው so nearly opposite meaning ያለው question number 20 maintains ነው ማለት ነው so question number 20 the answer is A ይሄኛው የእንግሊሽ ፓርት ነው next comprehension question ይዘንላችሁ እንመጣለን subscribe like እና share ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ thank you for watching